In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to generate QR codes in Python. So let's jump right into it. So first, we are gonna install the QR code Python package. So you can use the CMD if you're on Windows or the terminal if you're on Mac or Linux to install that. But I'm gonna be using the integrated terminal of Visual Studio Code. So let me open up that. So as you can see, I have opened up the terminal of Visual Studio Code. So for the Windows users to install the QR code Python package, the command is pip install QR code, and for the Mac and Linux users the command is different, and the command is sudo pip3 install QR code. So now I'm gonna hit enter to install this Python package. So as you can see, the requirement is already satisfied. So this means that the QR code Python package is already on my system. So now let's close the terminal and import the QR code Python package. So to import the QR code Python package, you should type in import QR code, and we have imported QR code to our Python project. And next I'm going to have in a variable. So let's have the variable as img equals to QR code dot make. So this is gonna make a QR code, and now in the brackets you can provide in the link or the data which you wanna have as a QR code. So I'm gonna provide in the link of one of my YouTube videos. So as you can see, I have tabbed in the link of the YouTube video. So this QR code dot make is gonna do is generate a QR code, and it's gonna be a image file. So that is why I have saved it as a variable, so we can save the image file. So to save that file, you have to type in img dot save, and now in the brackets you can provide in the name of the output file. So you can have it whatever you want, but I'm going to provide in QR code dot png. So you can also have jpg, but I'm just gonna be using png. So now I guess we are done with the programming, so let's run this code. So as you can see, we have got no output right here. So this means that QR code dot png is saved on my directory. So let me close the terminal, and I'm gonna go to the Explorer Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, we have got QR code dot png. So let me just open up that, and as you can see, we have got the QR code. So this is generated by Python, so good. And one more thing, that you can also have text instead of the link. So let me just show you an example of that. So here we have the link, right? So I'm gonna remove this link. Just wait a second. Yeah, I just removed the link, and now you can provide in some text in here. So I'm gonna provide in like, hello world, how are you, question mark. So now I'm also gonna change the name of the output file, and I'm gonna keep it as qrcode2.png. Let's again run this code. So as you can see, we got no output again. So qrcode2.png have been saved on our system. So I'm gonna close the terminal, go to the Explorer, and as you can see, we have got QR code 2.png. So let me open up that, and as you can see, we have got the QR code. So this is a bit different QR code which we generated earlier in this video. Okay, so this is how you generate QR codes in Python. So if you enjoyed this video or learned something, make sure to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and also click on the bell icon to get all my notifications first whenever I post a video. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and peace.